about next type of polygons, that is regular polygon and irregular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A polygon which is both equiangular and equilateral is known as a regular polygon. What is a regular polygon means? It is equiangular. Equiangular means its all angles are equal to each other, and equilateral means its all sides are equals to each other. In irregular, either the angles are equal but their sides will not be equal, or the sides are equal but all the angles are not equal to each other, or nothing is there means the angles are also not equal and their sides are also not equal. Then that type of polygon will be irregular polygon. Come to this polygon. This is a square, and we know that in a square all sides are equals to each other. So first condition is satisfied, that is it is equilateral. Now check its angles. We know that all the angles of a square are equals to 90 degree. All angles are equal, so it is equiangular also. Therefore, this polygon, that is square, is an example of regular polygon. Okay, come to this. This is a rectangle. In rectangle, we know that opposite sides are equal. Means this is equals to this side and this side is equals to this side. What about angles? All the angles are equals to 90 degree. So this is equiangular. Equiangular है that all the angles are equal, but this is not equilateral. All the sides are not equal here. Therefore, this rectangle is an example of irregular polygon. Now, come to the next. Rhombus. What is rhombus? In rhombus, all the sides are equals to each other. सभी sides equal होती है, but we can't say anything about its angles. Its all angles are not equal to each other. Therefore, rhombus is also an example of irregular polygon. Now, come to the triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equals to each other, and in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equals to 60 degree. Therefore, this triangle, that is equilateral triangle, is an example of regular polygon because it is equiangular also and it is equilateral. Now, this is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle means this angle is equals to 90 degree. When this angle is equals to 90 degree, and we know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Can angle A and angle C, each angle, can this angle and this angle be equals to 90 degree? No. Why? Because then their sum will become equals to 270 degree. Therefore, this triangle is not equiangular. Therefore, this triangle is an example of irregular triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? In which two sides are equal and the angles made by these two sides with the base are also equals to each other. Here we can see that only two sides are equal. These two sides are not equal to the third side, and only these two angles are equals to each other. The third angle, that is A, is not equal to angle B and angle C. So, none of the condition is satisfied, means it is not equilateral also and it is also not equiangular. Therefore, this is an example of irregular polygon. Now, come to the next example, that is pentagon. Here also this is pentagon and here also I have made the pentagon. If all the sides of the pentagons are equal, then this will be known as regular pentagon. And if the sides of the pentagons, means all the sides of the pentagons are not equal, then it will be known as irregular pentagon. Pentagon कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be regular also and it can be irregular also. It depends on the condition कि उसकी sides किस तरीके से हैं. Same condition is for hexagon also. Hexagon can be regular hexagon also and irregular hexagon also. If all the sides of this hexagon are equal, then it will be known as regular hexagon. And if its all sides will not be equal, then it will be known as irregular hexagon. And this is simple a quadrilateral. Okay, this is a simple quadrilateral. We cannot say that whether a quadrilateral is regular or irregular. It depends on that what kind of quadrilateral is there. If it is a square, then it is regular polygon. If it is a rectangle or rhombus, then it is irregular polygon. Okay.